Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be our plan with me video for the month of September. I'm very excited to be showing you guys the video today, and I'm going to also start off with showing you my stickers that I ordered to use for the fall season. This is probably just a few. There was a ton of other stickers and sets I wanted to get, but I wanted some that could get here as quick as possible, so I just got these few things. First is from one of my favorite Etsy shops, Pink Kimono Papers. These are just a little freebie, and she also gave me a coupon this time, which I thought was really sweet. I absolutely love her work. The quality is always phenomenal. So this is a mini planner weekly kit, and it's all autumn themed. So I'm trying to focus my camera. Let me see if it'll, I think it's kind of picking me up in the background. There we go. So look how beautifully detailed these stickers are, you guys. Like, I love it so much. But yeah, we have lots of details, autumn leaves, and then this is the second sheet. So it's a full figured girl, cute outfit, little Chanel bag, love that for us. And then some other cute autumn themed stickers like apple cider, honey, there's some pumpkins, nice little autumn lights, apples, just very cute detailed things. And then these are like little days of the week stickers. We have some like to-dos, task, and these are really cute on the side. Like one is like planning time, work time, coffee, chill, money, don't forget, and then a weekend, mini weekend banner sticker. So these are very cute. I'm glad I got this little mini set. And then we have the check boxes and like bills due tabs and things like that on the last sheet. So that's all, again, from Pink Kimono Papers. I will link all 3 Etsy shops down below because I ordered from 3 different shops this time. Again, support the small business owners, you guys. Just support them. The next one is going to be from Daily Dose. So Daily Dose of stickers. And I love her quality. It's super adorable as well. She also sent me a coupon, which was very sweet. And again, support your small business owners. So I'm trying to get through these very quickly so my video is not too long. But again, I just ordered 1 sheet, and then these are like freebies. Oh, super cute. These are my little mini freebies. This just says happy fall planning, cute little pumpkin and coffee mugs. And then this one is just all different like verbiage. So like, don't forget, pay bills, groceries, workout, meals, takeout, family time, movie night, goals, and then all the little like symbols up here for like home, bills, self-care, bills, you know, paying things, whatever. I just thought these were very cute. And then the nice hello weekend up at the top. So definitely going to take advantage of these as well to use in my monthly and maybe some of the daily pages as well. These are from the shop Cherry Splash Co. Just 1 sheet, I think, is what I got from her. These are super nice, and I tried to coordinate all the colors together so we can have pretty cohesive spread. Let's see. So I think there was a little set of freebies in hers. They're all coffee mugs. And then I just got this. So this is what I'm going to use for like the top banner spaces at the top of my planner pages. But we just have like this nice autumnal design, very like whimsical, kind of intricate, and then the glitter strips, and then the days of the week, the bills due, and then this little sticker just says autumn mood on. So I'm definitely going to incorporate those. I really wanted to incorporate some rose gold and wanted to get rose gold washi tape, but I just didn't find any that I liked online, and I didn't go to the craft store this week to look. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with this half of the planner. I kind of just divide in half and then work my way. So let's see. Perfect. we're gonna start with this page, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this sheet from the Cherry Splash Co. We're gonna incorporate this banner up here. We may need to like trim it, or actually there's a shorter piece right here, so that'll work perfect across here. And then incorporate the washi as well. So I'm just gonna peel this off. And like I said, it's gonna go just like right above here. I'm also making sure that I leave room for that gold strip of washi. So I'm gonna put that there. And then the gold glittered washi is gonna go right underneath. Very carefully. I mean, if it has a little gap in it, no big deal. I'm not gonna make a big deal about it, but it's gonna look like that. I'm gonna cover up the this month thing. I'm probably gonna use the Autumn Mood On sticker, I think, to kind of go right there. I'm also gonna check my other stickers and make sure that's what I want to use. Or I might kind of just, I think I should use the Pumpkin Queen instead. We're gonna use that. So I'm going to take this. Let me see if I want to put something above it. I'm really thinking about this. I'm trying to be strategic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one, the full girl in the sweatshirt. It just says Pumpkin Queen on her sweatshirt. Super cute. That's why I love pink kimono papers. The details on these are just incredible. I'm going to line this up and attach to my planner, just like that. It is slightly off up here at the top, but again, you really can't tell. So we're just gonna leave it there because once you stick stickers down, they kind of have to stay put. Okay, so we have that. And then I have space down here, so I'm gonna like try to figure that out. You know, that's why I was trying to put something here and then put this down here at the bottom. But, or I still might even be able to use this Autumn Mood On and just kind of pop it right there. So maybe I will do that. Yes, let's try that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it down here. And if I, you know, leave a little space or whatever, that's fine. I could line it up a little better. Again, y'all, it's been a little while. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I haven't touched my planner for a couple months now, maybe 3 months now. Don't ask. I just went through a phase where I wasn't interested in doing planner spreads. I was just in a planner funk, as some of us on YouTube like to call it, in the planner community. And that was me for like the past 3 months. So now that we're in my favorite time of year, I'm glad to get back into it again. I'm really not a summer person anymore since I moved to Florida, really. So part of that was, I guess, incorporated into my planner funk. But don't ask, I don't know. So the washi tape I'm using, you guys, is by the brand Recollections. I've had it for a while and I bought it at Michael's quite some time ago. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to fill in this extra space that I don't want on my spread here. So I'm just gonna align that, and let's see if we can kind of rip it ourselves. I'm going to try and line this up and just do that little number. I did kind of tear it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Typical me, trying to do it the wrong way, and that's how it came out. So let's just act like that didn't happen. I'm going to fill this in as best as I can. Okay, just try to fill it in, blend it in at least. Okay, so you almost can't tell where I messed up my strip right there, so don't mind that, okay? Let's see. And then I will do the solid line of gold right above it. just to fill that in, because I don't like to leave that blank. It will bug me, and the washi tape that I had just used is not wide enough to cover that properly. So this is gonna be what I'll use right above it. Maybe I should have put this at the bottom. It's okay, we'll work with it. I don't know where my little tool, I need a little tool going forward to help me rip this better, because it'll come out a lot cleaner. But that's basically what I'm gonna do up here at the top. So I filled that in, and now we're gonna move on to doing this side. So here is the final look of the monthly spread. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully soon. Thank you. Bye.